unveiling the Galaxy Tab Active5 Tactical Edition, the ultimate military tablet. In early 2024, Samsung made waves with the launch of the rugged Galaxy Tab Active5 tablet, and just 3 weeks ago they introduced a Pro version. But today, they've taken it a step further with the exciting debut of the Galaxy Tab Active5 Tactical Edition. This isn't just any tablet, it's a specialized device crafted for the unique needs of special operations teams. Developed in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Defense, this tablet is designed to withstand the rigors of military life, ensuring that personnel can operate effectively in high-stakes environments. So, what makes the Tactical Edition stand out? Built on the solid foundation of the Exynos 1380-powered Galaxy Tab Active5, this version comes packed with enhancements tailored for battlefield use. One of its standout features is the 5G band locking mode, which allows the tablet to connect seamlessly to certified networks, ensuring reliable communication when it matters most. But that's not all. The Tactical Edition also boasts a stealth mode, perfect for off-grid communications. This mode disables cellular connectivity and mutes radio frequency broadcasting, keeping operations discreet. Additionally, the covert lock mode takes security a step further by turning off the modem and GPS, preventing any unwanted emissions of radio frequencies. When it comes to visibility, the Tactical Edition shines with its night vision mode, allowing users to view the screen through NV goggles. It's optimized for essential applications like ADK, Android Team Awareness Kit, and BATDOC, Battlefield Assisted Trauma Distributed Observation Kit, enabling medics to monitor multiple patients' vital signs wirelessly and simultaneously. Security is paramount, and Samsung has enhanced its Knox platform to provide dual-layer encryption, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. Plus, this tablet is certified by the NSA National Security Agency, allowing secure access to classified information. Durability is another key feature, with the Galaxy Tab Active5 Tactical Edition maintaining an impressive IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, along with MIL STD 810H certification for extreme conditions like high altitudes, temperature fluctuations, vibrations, and humidity. It also features a replaceable battery and a screen that works seamlessly with wet fingers, gloves, and the included rugged S Pen. Now, you might be wondering if this cutting-edge device is available for consumers. The answer is a bit complicated. While it's not readily available on store shelves, interested buyers can reach out to Samsung through a special form, and a sales representative will get back to them. However, the official press release didn't mention any pricing details, leaving us all curious about the cost of this high-tech marvel. In summary, the Galaxy Tab Active5 Tactical Edition is not just a tablet, it's a powerful tool designed for those who operate in the most challenging environments. With its advanced features and robust security, it's set to redefine how military personnel communicate and operate in the field.